Hey, what's up you guys? Johnny Bean here. We got a package in the mail. Let's open this up. By the way, if you guys like guitar stuff, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of guitar product reviews, do lessons, interviews. I'll be at the NAMM show starting January 21st. So if you want your exclusive NAMM show coverage, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Look at this. We got a LEKATO. It says compressor. Let's check this out. Open that up. It's another mini pedal. I just did a video yesterday on the LEKATO B breaker overdrive. Check out that pedal. Check out that pedal and check out that video. So, okay, you unbox. Comes with some stuff for your pedal board here. And there it is. It's called the R Comp. That looks cool. Let's see. Okay, it has a sustain, level, and attack. And to power this today, I'll be using the Van Gogh power supply rechargeable. These are great. I've been using this. I just played a gig with that a few weeks ago. All right, let's check it out. So here's the pedal, the R Comp by LEKATO. See, it has a sustain knob, a level knob, and an attack knob. The amp I'm using is the Black Star Stereo 20 V3. It's a great little amp. And the guitar I'm using is this one right here. This is a Strat I put together a long time ago. Has the Vega Trem on it. My favorite tremolo. It's awesome. So let's check out this pedal. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the compressor, sustains at about 3 o'clock, levels at about 2 o'clock, attack is at about 1 o'clock, and I've added a little bit of gain to the amp here, and I want to show you a great example of what a compressor can do. So, let's say I want to do like some tapped harmonics stuff. Cool, right? Kick on the compressor. Listen to that. Sustain. With a little bit of gain, you can get some cool stuff. And it's a clean sound. It's not a dirty, distorted sound. There you go. All right. And I should probably say that there's an Amazon link to the pedal in the description below. So check that out. So let's I'll show you my here's my guitar. just through the amp itself. Now here's the pedal. I have everything at 12 o'clock. I'll give you some more sustain here. I'll just kind of change the knobs around a little bit. A little more sustain. A little less attack. Let's put the attack at about 9 o'clock. Now with compressor pedals, it really depends on your gear. Depends on the guitar you're playing, type of pickups you're using, depends on your amp, depends on the way you play, and it really depends on what you want to hear, what you like. There really is no right or wrong when it comes to effects pedals. You can really hear that. Here it is without it. Here it is with it. Apparently I'm getting messages. Here's my settings. So, like I said, really depends on what you like, and it really depends on your gear. I mean, look, I'm using a 2.0 Dunlop guitar pick. With the compressor, you can really hear the attack of the pick. Sustain with this. One thing I love is single coil pickups with the compressor and a heavy pick. You can't beat this sound. It just really really adds to the tone. Add some delay. like I said, it really depends on your gear, what you're using. I'm using just a small amp, single coil pickups, but a compressor can really add to your sound. You know, whether you want a boost. I generally use a compressor when I use a clean tone, for mainly for gigs. It's just a sound that I like. And I think it's coming through. I mean, this is without compressors turned off. See how the sustain is going away really fast? Use a compressor. Keeps going. There, I think you get the idea. So, this is just a great little compressor, the LEKATO R COMP. There it is. Check it out. Link down below, Amazon link. And if you like guitar stuff, if you dig this, consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget, I'm filming this right now. It is what? It's December 27th, 2024. Starting January 21st, 2025, I'll be bringing you guys exclusive live NAMM show coverage right here on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitch. So make sure to consider giving me a follow and check out the pedal. Link down below, Amazon link. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And this is Johnny Bean TV.